So hello friend, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to make a budget PC. For this you will need a 1 GB RAM and 160 GB storage. You can see it, I'm using here hard disk and one Intel Pentium processor. You can see this. You can read the information by pausing the video. And one sound card you can see, and CPU fan for cooling the processor. One motherboard, I'm using here Asus P5KPL, and also you will need SMPS. I'm using here 450 watt SMPS, and a cabinet which I made at home. You can see that video link in description. So first of all, let's fix the SMPS inside it, and afterwards then we will fit our motherboard inside it and connect the CPU cabinet fan with it. So you can see after fixing the SMPS, I am fixing the cabinet fan connector with the our motherboard. You can see it where the CPU fan is written. You can connect it there, your fan. You can see it in this motherboard. There is on the upper side it given. After this I will put all the wires on the back side of the SMPS for connecting it with motherboard. So now I'm going to put all the wire on the back side of the cabinet for connecting our motherboard, and except one wire which is for the power cable of the hard disk. So except that I put all the back side all the wires. So now I'm going to connect the main output wire with our motherboard, which is black and yellow colored wire on the right corner of our motherboard. The wires of the SMPS are always in the same color of each and every SMPS. So now I'm going to connect the hard disk. I using here this connector hard disk. You can use SATA one also. Now I'm going to connect the power cable of the SMPS with hard disk. You can see it, I had connected it. Now let's fix another things like our hard disk, and then I will fix the processor and the RAM. So you can see it, the connector which I connected with motherboard, I had put it on the front side so we can connect it with our hard disk. Then we will connect the power cable with our hard disk. Guys, it's very easy to assemble. You can get the software of Windows from the repairing shop. Guys, I had arranged some parts of the CPU from the scrap and some from the repairing shop. So I had around budget, it's gone about 5,000. So it's easy to make, and also it's very run very smoothly. You can see that when I will turn on it. So you can see it, I am fixing our hard disk inside the cabinet. So you can see it easily gone inside our slot. So we can fix another things also like processor and the RAM. So you can see this is our processor slot. You can here use another processor also. So you can see I had put our processor here, and now I'm going to fix the RAM and the CPU fan by applying the thermal paste on the processor. So you can see I had fixed the CPU fan. Now I'm going to fix our sound card in the sound card slot. You can see it, you can fix it in the slot where it's can be fixed properly or work it. So I had fixed and it's all done. Now I'm going to connect our positive and negative wire of RGB strip with our SMPS. So you can see the yellow one is 12 volt positive and black one is negative. There I am going to connect the RGB LED of our cabinet. You can see it. Now let's put the cover of our cabinet on it. So you can see I'm putting it, and I will connect our acrylic sheet with it. So you can see Here I am using the power button. You can see that the black one slot is for the power button. I am connecting it. It's not visible, but in every motherboard it's given in black color, so you can see. Now let's fix it by tying the screw. So after fixing, I am going to give it power and we will check it whether it work or not. So after applying uh, our power cable, it working. You can see the light when I push the button, so it work. Now let's see it on the screen. I had connected it with the monitor, and let's now see all the process how to set up it. Guys, when you are using it for first time, go to boot menu by using keyboard F2 button. You can see, or delete you can use. I am pushing here delete button, so it opened. Now I am going to go inside the boot device priority. You can see, guys, I had zoomed it. Here you can see, guys, boot device priority. First priority device is our hard disk. On this we will click and F10 and enter. We will press and we will save it, and then our windows will show. So you can see this, no signal, and then now motherboard is restarted as we had save and exit as by pressing F10. So you can see, guys, so you can see it worked. Now I'm going to click the right click, and then I will go in the personalize and I will add the icon on the screen. After it's turned on, so you can see it turn on, so it works so smooth also. So hope you like this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet in next video with new topic.